Nababad trip ba kayo dahil sobrang lag ang mga mabibigat na games sa 1 or 2 GB RAM Android phone nyo? Hindi ba kayo makapaglaro ng maayos sa Mobile Legends dahil sa sobrang lag nga? Kung ganun, kailangan nyong mapanood ang video na ito. Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo on how to fix lag in heavy games on your 1 or 2 GB RAM Android phone. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung bago pa lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga malupitang videos ko. So, simulan na natin ang bakbakan.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes